What kind of CEO are you? Are you a lion? Are you a monkey? Are you an elephant? Or are you a dolphin? Each type of leader can be valuable in their own environment. In fact, CEOs I've met are across all of those four different animal types. So what makes one different from another? So lions are probably your classic CEO, driving, driven, focused, fantastic when the back's against the walls and you're in an emergency situation. They, as it were, the Battle of Iwo Jima, those are the people that pick up the flag and run up at the hill against the guns, and fantastic to have when you're in a difficult situation. Monkeys, they are very gregarious, positive, fun-loving, creative. A lot of them come from a sales and marketing background, particularly if sales or marketing is critical to your business model. They can be really successful in that environment and a fantastic CEO leader in that situation. Elephants, they're more of a thoughtful, intellectual type, quite often coming from a CFO background. When either the numbers really count or you're in a difficult situation and you need to rethink your business model due to disruption or a major competitor or a major change in business circumstances, elephants have the heavy lifting IQ power to think the issues through, structure a plan, and if we were using a sailing analogy, see the ship safely home to harbour. And the last key type is a dolphin. They're the very thoughtful, caring, sharing kind. They can bring teams together. Great in post-merger if you've got a lot of personality differences and you need a peacemaker to bring everybody together around the table together. Quite often find those in the non-profit organisations providing brilliant leadership. So if you're interested in the model, it comes from a fantastic person called Nigel Risner. It's based from the Myers-Briggs personality types and a bit more work from that. So do get Nigel's book, which I shall leave a link to. And he has a very interesting quiz, which in 60 seconds you can work out which type of personality type you are. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and whether you're a lion or a monkey or an elephant or a dolphin, I look forward to meeting you soon.